So hey guys, and welcome again. A very good morning. So today is 25th of October. It's Vijayadashmi Dashera. So wish you a very happy Dashera. That's my Interceptor 650, and I am Indrajit Singh, as you have already known my channel. So today I'll be shooting from a new action camera. I'll be showing the video samples and the voice quality from the external mic of this action camera. This action camera is called Focus Rush 2.0. This comes with an external mic and two extra batteries. It supports resolution up to 4K, and best is to shoot in 1080p 60 fps, which I am using in this video. So let's hope I am getting audio from this. Let's hope I'll be able to show you the samples in low light and in good light condition. It's almost around 6:15 AM in the morning, and light is still low. So let's just start riding and try to give you a few samples. So let's start rolling, guys. Let's shut this visor. So I was actually using a local kind of Chinese camera before this one, and I was using that camera as a dash cam and both as action cam. My primary usage was on that camera is of the dash camera. So I only use action cam and dash cam. I only use dash cam and action cam as a safety measure. So I'll just be doing a short ride inside the city only. So it's around 6:20 AM in the morning, and you can still see the light is still low. My visor is all fogging up. That's the thing with the guys who wear specs, and then you have to wear a mask. See, an idiot. They don't give indicators and just take onto a side. These are the kind of guys that you have to be aware of while riding or driving on the road. They causes most of the accidents. I was actually planning to move out from my place at around 5 AM, but it was very dark. So since this Focus Rush 2.0 is a budget action camera, I would be aware that its low light shooting video quality is not very good. So I plan to move out around 6:30 so that I would be able to show you the video quality in a better light condition. So the light is still low. I don't know what kind of audio you are getting and what kind of video you are getting. I will only check the audio and the video once I reach my place back after the ride. The funny thing happened is that when I ordered this camera, it arrived yesterday. My old camera was gone bust. There was literally a pataka while it was charging. So, but yesterday only I put a battery from this camera into my old action camera, and that old action camera spring back to life. So let's hope it keep working. If that camera keeps working, then I'll make that one as a dedicated action camera and dedicated dash camera, and use this Focus Rush as action camera to mount on my helmet. So this mounting angle that you have been seeing is not a permanent angle. This is my older mounting angle. So I will be mounting it on the chin of my helmet camera on my helmet, so that I will get a centralized footage and a better viewing angle. So now we have got traffic violation cameras everywhere in Delhi. So everybody has to follow these idiots. Those you see parked ahead of the stop line, would definitely be fine, because that camera on this red light is working, and they have been sending challans with this very camera only. This is the Sarai Rohilla red light. So the resolution I am using in this video is 1080p 60 fps. As what I have seen or researched before buying this camera is, at 1080p 30 fps and 1080p 60 fps you will get some kind of stabilization, image stabilization and video stabilization, and this does shoot in 4K and in 2.7K, but 4K videos are not stabilized. I have seen in GoPros also, the older than GoPros, where the 4K videos are not stabilized. The action camera which I had previously, that's an IMARS S9 Plus, which I have bought from a Chinese website. This Focus S 2.0 also has a car mode, so you can turn on the loop recording. Now the loop recording in this camera, you must have seen in some videos, there are options like 3-minute loop, 5-minute loop and 10-minute loop. What it does, when you select a 5-minute loop time, then it makes the, when you select a 5-minute loop time in a looping video, then it makes 5 minutes files in different parts. But means each file is 5 minutes long. So when it's when the card is full, then it deletes the very first 5-minute file and overwrites it. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के फसाने लिए. This motorcycle is so easy to ride inside the city or on the highway. You don't have to shift gears at all. Just put it in third gear and ride all day inside the city. Heat management is really very good. So as you can notice, the light is coming out, the sun is about to come out. This is the Eidgah area. So guys, I have stopped near India Gate. You can see people cycling here. I was just checking if the camera is recording or not. It actually stopped. I don't know why. I'll just place it somewhere where I can see if it is recording or not. I just use the remote once to stop the recording. I just keep riding. The day has come out. So the purpose of making this video is to show you the video and audio quality of this action camera. The audio you are listening to is coming from the the external mic which came along with this action camera. The video resolution that I have already told you is the 1080p 60 fps. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के फसाने लिए. I hope you are getting the audio and there is not much of the wind noise, because I have seen some samples of very good action cameras where the audio is all spoiled by the wind noise. I am using a SMK twister in small size. It is very snug fitted to my head. So I have placed the mic near my mouth. I am also wearing a mask. So let's just see what we can do. I'm more into making DIY videos and the motorcycle maintenance videos. I don't know if there is any speed cameras here. I'm actually riding above 50 kilometers per hour. So the speed limit inside Delhi is 50 kilometers per hour. It's too low for a motorcycle like this, but this motorcycle is so damn easy to use inside the city or on the highway. You actually don't have to change gears at all. Just put it in third gear and you can glide all day through the city traffic. Second and third is everything that you ever need inside the city on Interceptor 650 or Continental GT 650. GT would be more tiring on your palms and on your grips. There are lots of cyclists. I'm actually enjoying this quite a lot, because every time when I came here, this place is full of traffic. So this is the very first time that I've come this early in the morning, and it makes it quite pleasant to ride without any traffic around. So now, as you can notice that the day have come out completely. Sun is about to come out. It's around 6:37 a.m. in the morning, and I hope you are getting a good camera angle. I would be riding more on these roads in the early hour of the mornings. Let's hope you are getting a good audio. When I stopped to check the recording, I just noticed that the recording in low light was pretty good in the LCD screen of this camera. This camera doesn't have any touch screen functions, but what I have seen in other videos, that this does provide some sort of video stabilization at 1080p 30 fps and 1080p 60 fps. So shooting in 4K is also doesn't make any sense for me, because the file size would be too large to render. I don't have a very powerful PC to edit and finish my videos. These are the famous sprouts, the installation of the AIMS. And the AIMS is very near here. I am near the IIT flyover now. There are few bikers there. R15's RC Jarna Baneli. I did spotted a Baneli. I think it was a 600i DL941. So as for this Google auntie, my destination is very near to. It's only 8 kilometers away. It's only 7 minutes away. Actually under 4 kilometers. Let's see how this vlog turns out and you guys like it or not. As I've already told, I'm not much into vlogging. This is my first ever vlog. There are few people who have commented on my video that भाई हिंदी में बनाया कर. Actually यार होता क्या है, I tried making videos in Hindi, but the DIY videos which I normally made, but I do get requests from people from other parts of India and from other parts of the world that do make that video in English, because English is a universal language. And if you are not aware, not everybody speaks Hindi in India. People from down south and from other states do speak their native languages, so English is more understandable to them. Let's hope the people commenting for Hindi gets my point and stop abusing. It's just 2.4 kilometers and 4 minutes only. Let me see if this camera is still recording or not. I think there is a feature called auto shutdown. I think I have to turn that feature off. Otherwise, whenever I turn the recording off, it will shut down the camera after a certain amount of time. See, we have to stop every time on a traffic signal. You don't violate a traffic signal because you don't know where there is a violation camera, the traffic violation camera. Yo, that's the Qutub Minar. That's one of the original 7 wonders of the world. See, there are lots of cyclists around here. Cycling has become very popular in this COVID-19 situation. Everybody is riding and enjoying cycling these days. Let me just take my phone off. Yes, let me just take a selfie. Weather is quite cool nowadays. I have to insert my winter liner inside my jacket so that I won't feel the cold. That's a nice road, nice and tempting road, but I'll be heading back home. So now the day has already come out. The sun has already come out. You can clearly see the U-turns are very easy on this motorcycle. The 0-point U-turn. Bye bye cyclists. That's Kalka Das Maharaj. More cyclists. More cyclists, more cyclists, more cyclists. And that's a crow. Oh, I hope it is not one way. Doesn't seem like. This is actually a very pleasant ride today. We are heading back home now. So, as you can see, it is already past 7 AM. So the day has come out quite nicely. It says 36 seconds. Now from here I can read this at right. Oh, this is an uncle. This is actually a very nice place to ride early in the morning. That's why cyclists enjoy this place. That's a Dominar guy. That's not a Dominar. That's a different motorcycle. The exhaust look quite savvy. It could be a FZ250. Yes, some more riders on a early morning ride. That's a Bulleteer without helmets. But thankfully he is wearing shoes. Hope you can see the quality of video that you are getting. I also don't know what kind of video I am getting, and I hope I am getting good audio also. This is the first time I am using this kind of setup. Oh, that's an early morning accident. Oh shit. Let's hope everybody is safe. Nothing happened to us. These accidents are very scary. It is actually quite hazy and foggy in the morning. So early morning visibility is quite low now due to all the air pollution we are getting these days. Due to the crop burning and the usual wind pattern of October and November. We suffer a lot in Delhi due to this pollution. Let's hope you can hear me loud and clear and we are not getting too much of a wind noise in this external mic. What's the point of riding like this? That's a super bike. That's a Ninja. That's a Ninja and that's a light ki dukaan. That guy doesn't have eyes. What's the point of using this much light in daytime? He had in total 5 lights on. His headlight and 4 auxiliary lights. What's the point of blinding the oncoming traffic with so many lights? The battery showed me 2 bars in this camera after this much of riding and recording, and so I hope that it will keep recording till I reach my home. if my card doesn't fills up. I'm using a 32 GB class 10 micro SD card in this camera. Class 10 is very important to get the best resolution while you are recording. This also shoots picture in 16 megapixel. Cyclists everywhere, land, water and in air. I was actually planning to buy a Akaso V50 SE, the one which supports the external mic, but it wasn't available on Amazon or anywhere else on any website. Akaso 7000 was available and few other Akasos were available, but none of that supports any external mic. Then I found this Focus Plus 2.0. It comes in a full pack and supports an external mic and comes with an external mic. So I thought of giving it a try. I watched few videos and then I bought this. It took around 7 days to deliver this camera to my place. I was actually hopeless that I would get it in time, because Amazon gave me a date of November. I placed the order on 17th of October and got it on 24th of October. I tested the external mic inside my room wearing my helmet, and it was giving me a good audio. In fact, it caught audio from street. There were few people shouting and abusing each other at the corner of the street near my place, and the external mic was so good, so sensitive, you can say, that it clearly caught their abuses and their fighting sounds. Nayak Road, that's the Teen Murti Marg. We have to take the Teen Murti Marg. Again a bunch of cyclists. I'm actually using this Google map to find another route to go back to my place. Let's see if I spot anything new. I actually know the way, but I'm still using Google Maps. It's a nice time to ride a motorcycle or a cycle. I don't say bikes, I say motorcycle, because bikes don't have engine. Bike has a seat, 2 tires, a pedal and a handlebar. A motorcycle has a heart. It has got an engine. In fact, the motorbike is also a wrong word. Motorbike is like putting a engine or a motor, some sort of motor in your bicycle. But bike is a universally used word. But old school riders or the motorcyclists still use and still love to call a motorcycle a motorcycle. That's a Gyara Murti. That's Dandi Yatra. I'm not going to follow Google Maps anymore. I'll take my own route. La 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 la. दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, आगे है कातिल मेरा और मैं पीछे पीछे हो. That's a horse cart. That's a tanga. Tanga or tanga. Tanga, tonga, tanga. Lots of ways you can pronounce it. Now I am holding 80 km per hour and wind speed is quite good. I hope you can get the audio which I am speaking to my external mic. I am again saying कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में चाहिए, कोई सवाल है जो आपको हिंदी में पूछना है, तो आप कमेंट्स में मेरे से पूछिए, मैं आपको बताऊंगा, मैं आपके लिए ट्रांसलेट भी करूंगा. आई एम नॉट अंग्रेज की औलाद, बट आई मेक माई वीडियोज इन इंग्लिश सो दैट मोर पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. In fact, I have made my previous videos in Hindi only. There only I get so many requests to make that video in English, so I have to translate it again and again and again and answer people. That's why I started making videos in English. और मैं पीछे पीछे. I don't listen to music while I am riding because I love to concentrate on the road. I don't mind wind noise and vehicle noises. So again, for your information, I am using a SMK Twister, my helmet, and I have placed the external mic inside the helmet near my mouth so that I can get the best audio and avoid wind noise also. I have closed all the air vents also to avoid wind noise. Let's see how the audio turns out and how the video turns out now. That's the Birla Mandir. That's another famous place in Delhi. Oh, that's the Birla Mandir. I hope you can see it. This camera has a 170-degree wide angle lens. There are other cameras which I am getting on Amazon or on Flipkart, but the wide angle is low. There were no image stabilization, and the reviews which I saw for this camera gave me an idea that this has some sort of stabilization at 1080p 30 fps and 1080p 60 fps. So I ordered it. Let's see how it turns out, how the stabilization works, and how this video and the audio comes out. I don't know why people don't respect the traffic signals early in the day. In fact, in a busy traffic scenario, people do cross jumps, red lights. Very risky to do. I will not be putting up a unboxing video on my channel. There are tons of unboxing videos for this Focus Rush 2.0. You can watch that. You can watch those videos. But if you still want me to upload the unboxing video, then I have made that one. The box I got was damaged. The pasting of the box was not in good condition, but all the contents were present in the box. This came with a carry case. There is a fool following me. Oh, that's a Java. This is another very nice motorcycle, Java 300. But no point owning a good motorcycle and riding it without wearing even a helmet or shoes. That guy is wearing in a skull cap and he is wearing slippers. I hope he is wearing shoes. He is wearing slippers. So So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video and you get the idea of video quality and the sound quality of Crocus Rush 2.0 with the external mic. I am using this camera inside the old casing of my old action camera. I put a hole inside that casing to make place for the external mic, so that I can use the external mic with the waterproof casing to avoid dust entering the lens and other crucial parts of this camera. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching.